Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can merge videos in Filmora. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Filmora. So let me open Filmora first, and then you need to click on that and select any videos that you want to merge. So let me select two videos. Then you need to drag that to the timeline. Okay, and here you can see that the both videos are now merged, and if you want to merge that you simply need to click on this cut, and you simply want to click on cut again, and you did simply need to delete that part of the video. Okay, and put that video in the center. Okay, and here you can see that the both videos are now merged. So this is a process by which you can merge videos in Filmora. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.